Hey everyone, this is Paul from Day-to-Day Fixes. Today we are going to install this Ultraloq Latch 5 fingerprint smart lever lock, which is Wi-Fi, and we're going to install it over here. And the reason we're going to install that one is because this door has an automatic close, so that way anybody that comes in and out closes automatically and locks, and that is the same type of function we'll have with this smart lock. We're going to start off by disassembling the current lock and following the directions that came with the lock. They look very detailed. I don't think I'll have an issue. Here I installed the door jamb, and in order to figure out which hole I needed to put this in, there is a template here that you could use. Here I put it right over the circle. I could see that mine is 2 3/8, and so I just left it as is. Here it came in with 2 3/8 already set up. If your door was here, the hole was over here, it would be 2 3/4, and you would just have to move this over. Following the directions, make sure the wire goes through the top of the latch, kind of like that, and put it through the holes, and it will be this way. I attached the backing and put the wire through the little kind of rectangular hole, connected the two wires. Don't like the fact that there are some wires that are exposed, but well, that was the design. We'll see what happens. I installed the back plate and these 3 machine screws, connected this as well. There is a little notch over here where we can store them, and then put it together, and then attach additional screws afterwards, and I'll show that. Okay, here are 2 little 5/16 screws that I put in, and then here are 2 more of the bigger screws, which are 1532 screws over here. Put the batteries in here, and I added a screw here for the battery cover. Yeah, when there's a lot of people coming in and out, I would think it's better to add the screw here, so that way this doesn't come off. Next up is to add the handles, and on the other side as well. And at the bottom here this is a provided Allen wrench. You just tighten it up here, and you do the same on the other side, and the physical installation of this is done. Next up would be programming the system through the app, and we'll go through that as well. Hey guys, I wanted to point out that in addition to the code or the fingerprint, if for any reason we need to use the key, we can use the key, and where to put the key is down here. There's a little grommet over here. You gotta pull it down. It has a little key shape there, and make sure the key is, these are facing you, and then you turn to the right, and then you can open it. Alright, so take out the key, can't open it. Alright, that's very good if the batteries are dead, you can use your key. The app for Ultraloq. It's called UTech. Let's create a new account. Type in your email. Confirm the email. Next. Choose a password. Alright. Put your name. Phone number. Get the code. Put in the code, click next. Alright. The registration process is complete. This says if we want to get some personalized marketing text message, etc. Let's skip this for now. Oh, okay, got it. It says to add a new address and locate devices in different addresses. Notice if someone invites you, that lock will be under the shared address. Alright, got it. Add a new device or location, got it. It's asking if we allow you to send notifications. Yes. That'll be a way to get notified when someone is opening the door. Alright, so let's add a new device. Okay, check app needs nearby devices permission. Okay, we'll allow that. Okay, that's it. Alright, we'll create an admin code for now. Okay. Name the device. Alright. We're gonna name it Woodside front door. Alright, let's click next. Alright, now we have to set it up with the Wi-Fi. Alright, click next. The Wi-Fi name. Alright, let's find the Wi-Fi name first. Setting up the Wi-Fi took a couple of tries. It took about 3 to 4 tries, but now it says Wi-Fi successful. Alright, so let's see if we could connect. And let's see if we can unlock it. Alright, I see it's unlocked. Let's see. Oh, it's locked again. Oh, it's unlocked. Yes, it did. The latch is opening. Correct. Now it's locked again. That's great. And I will show that in a video. Now, the settings. Device information, lock sounds. Here, an auto lock. It is currently set to 5 seconds. It goes from 3 all the way down to 5 minutes. Let's keep it at 3 seconds because I actually had it automatically locking instantly previously. Alright. I guess I could add different users. Username, user type, normal user. Can always unlock via code, fingerprint, or UTech app. Temporary user can unlock via code, fingerprint, or UTech app within the scheduled time. Alright, so I'm going to start setting up some codes and I'll return. Here I can start adding a passcode, fingerprint, app access information. We start adding a fingerprint. It says make sure your fingerprint is clean and scan multiple fingerprint angles to ensure a better collection of your fingerprint image. So I'm going to do that right now. Alright, so now it's all set up. I added my fingerprint and it's been pretty good. Let's try that one more time. It's pretty good still. There's also, you have to wake it up in order to use the passcode. So for testing purposes, I did 2, 3, 4, 5, enter. Alright, now it has a pretty good quality that you can put in random numbers in the beginning, and then 2, 3, 4, 5, enter, and it'll still open. As well as you can also put random numbers at the end, 2, 3, 4, 5, Let's go 9-6, enter. Green light. We're good to go. Let's take a look from the other side. It's locked. Open it up. There you have it, my friends. I will keep you guys updated if there are any issues with this lock, but so far so good.